Hi guys, it's Josh from World of Camping, and in this video I'm excited to show you the pod from Rinsekit. The pod is a portable pressurized water carrier and it can hold 1.75 gallons of water, and honestly the applications are endless. You can put either hot or cold water in this. You've got a nice big carry handle, you can put it in the back of your car or your van, or even if you're just walking along, you have pressurized water wherever you want to go. It's really handy. So the way it works then, you just pull this rubber band off here and that gives you access to the shower head, which is a very similar design to outdoor taps and hoses. You just pull this tab and it's a quick release for the shower head, and that comes off. And the way you fill it up is it comes with an outdoor tap adapter, and all you do is just screw that onto the outdoor tap. You turn the stopcock to closed on the hose, clip it on, open the stopcock, and then turn the tap on. It'll take about 30 seconds to fill, and the pressure from the mains water is what's going to pressurize the tank as well as fill it. And then when you're done, just turn the tap off, turn your stopcock to closed, open that up, and then you put your shower head back on and turn it on, and you're ready to go. As far as run times then, so the shower setting, which produces the most amount of water, a constant stream, that will run for a minute, and then mist, that will run for 8 minutes. There's also center, flat, and jet. They vary in times between. So if you're doing little pulses, little bursts, you're obviously going to be able to get more out of it. But if we take this outside, I will give you a demonstration of how it works.
First of all, start by screwing on the tap adapter. Once screwed on, unclip the shower head from the unit and use the quick release. Turn the stopcock to the closed position so the white ball is showing, and apply to the tap. Undo the stopcock, turn your tap on, and wait for the tank to fill. Turn the tap off, turn the stopcock off, and remove the hose. Reapply the shower head and turn the stopcock into the open position, and you're ready to use.
Okay then guys, that was the pod from Rinsekit. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.